they say that the funding for stem cell research should be on the federal, or should be from federal funding, not from private. Well, Vicki Wagner from the book Biomedical Ethics, Opposing Viewpoints, she put out to a report by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development Researchers. And the report concluded that the research and development activities undertaken by the business sector seem to have high social returns, while no clear-cut relationship could be established between non-business oriented research and development activities and growth. People are more interested in research from private businesses, and is viewed socially higher than activities done by the federal government. And the U.S. is the leader in articles published. Jacqueline Langquist, and she points out that the key findings of a survey does not come until the 5th paragraph, which points out that the scientific report that the U.S. is by far the world's leader in the total number of stem cell articles published, alone accounting for 42% of all stem cell articles published worldwide between 2000 and 2004. So people in the United States are interested. They are more willing to help out, not just the government, I guess. Alright, so the truth, we don't really know how long it would take. It would take a lot of money, a lot of time to see actual results. It would, we can't really say how long it would take to find new treatments for specific diseases using embryonic stem cells. But scientists are talking about a 10, 20, even a 30-year time frame to see some actual progress. And more states have laws against stem cell research than 4. There are about 23, including Arizona, Arkansas, Florida, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, Montana. And their law specifically does not permit research on fetus or embryos. And the point that Bush was making on his ban was, do we really want to use taxpayers' money to destroy embryos? There's still debate about using government money to destroy embryos. His administration has been made available more than $90 million for the research on the lines that he allowed. And Senator Rick Santorum from Pennsylvania, he says he's against. He says that since a little embryo does not have a pair of eyes and a hair color, he doesn't have a name. It is very easy to dismiss his entity as insignificant. So we just kind of claim that there is a cloud as to what this is, and that allows us to then destroy that life and use it for our purposes. And there's where the feds have actually helped, where there is funding, in the Food and Drug Administration, in 2006, they have only approved 69 drugs, a 26% drop from 91 approvals in 2009, and set a Kim Campbell analysis for Friedman billing, and he also established that the approval rate of new drugs dropped below 60% in 2007, down from 96 the year before. And in vitro fertilization, this has actually progressed without government funding. Perhaps assisted reproductive techniques like in vitro fertilization has proceeded rapidly because of, not in spite of, essentially no federal funding. So far, more than 3 million babies have been born by means of assisted reproductive techniques, which this was by Vicki Wagner and Biomedical Ethics, Opposing Viewpoints. So does government really need to be in it to have that ban?